Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best when it comes to home essentials. Today, we're diving into an incredible product that you won't want to miss. If you've ever found yourself locked out of your bedroom or bathroom, you know the frustration of searching for a solution. Well, look no further because we're here to introduce you to the best door key pin, the bedroom/bathroom door emergency keys compatible with Kwikset. These emergency keys are a game changer for anyone with quick-set interior levers and knobs. Imagine having 5 reliable emergency keys that are not only easy to use but also designed specifically for the turn-to-unlock type interior locks. Each key is crafted to fit seamlessly into the small access hole on your doorknob or lever, making it a breeze to unlock doors during those unexpected moments. Let's take a closer look at the design and functionality of these keys. Made from durable alloy steel, these keys boast a polished finish that not only looks good but is built to last. The keys measure 2.5 inches in length, with a slotted end of 1/8 inch, ensuring a perfect fit in your locks. To use, simply insert the slotted end into the lock, turn it clockwise until it falls into the groove, and unlock your door with ease. It's as simple as that. One of the standout features of this product is its practicality. You can conveniently store these keys above your doorframe for easy access, so they're always within reach. This means no more panicked moments or scrambling to find a way to unlock your door. These keys are designed for peace of mind, allowing you to focus on what really matters. These emergency keys are specifically compatible with Kwikset brand knobs and levers, making them an ideal solution for homes with this type of hardware. However, it's crucial to note that these keys will not work with push-to-unlock type locks, as the flat end of the key won't fit into those access holes. So, ensure your locks are compatible to avoid any disappointments. Now, let's talk about value. These keys come in packs of 5, priced at a budget-friendly $3.94, which is just 79 cents per key. With over 5,600 ratings and an impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars, this product is already an Amazon Choice favorite among customers. It's a small investment that offers a tremendous return in terms of convenience and security. In conclusion, the bedroom/bathroom door emergency keys compatible with Kwikset are not just a useful accessory, they're a necessary addition to any home. With their robust design, ease of use, and affordability, they truly stand out as the best door key pin solution available today. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home's security and convenience, head over to the link in the description to grab your set. Don't wait until you find yourself locked out, be prepared. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever been locked out, and how did you handle it? We'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, keep critiquing.